Myself, Suman Ramawat, Head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Congratulating behalf of Department of Mechanical Engineering to all the participants on additive manufacturing and future technologies. Special thanks to the AICTE-VAANI, for recognizing us and sponsoring for 2 lakhs amount to organize such a great event. And a special thanks to even our management, for trusting and putting faith on us. Special thanks to my team for conducting such a wonderful event.
Myself, P. Srinivas Yadav, working as a scientist in Advanced System Laboratory. Today I came here to deliver the lecture on additive manufacturing, innovations on FRP composites. And this program is being conducted on behalf of AICTE-VAANI program. And the environment in the college is very impressive. The faculty, students, management, the way they are receiving and the response for the inviting the resource persons is very amazing. What I give presentation on additive manufacturing and innovations, I feel like it is maybe the very good input for the students. I thought they have benefited with this program, and thanks for inviting me for delivering this lecture. Thank you so much.
Dios